Today we are going to learn 15 essential compound verbs in Urdu and Hindi. Hi, I am Sara. This is me. On this channel, I teach Urdu as a second language and I provide free Urdu lessons every week. So if this is something you're interested in, subscribe for more content. So compound verbs are very important in Hindi and Urdu. You might be wondering, what are compound verbs? Compound verbs are formed with these verbs: lena, dena, jana, parna, lagna, and dalna. Lena, dena, jana are the most common ones. Today we are going to focus on jana. So do you know what jana means? The primary verb means to go. Jana is to go. When they're used to form compound verb, they lose their original meaning. So jana will lose its meaning, which is to go. Now let's see how compound verbs are made. So for example, you're going to bed, you're going to sleep. You want this action to be expressed: sleeping. So what you'll do is you'll take the main verb, which is sona. Sona is to sleep. You remove the na and you need the stem of this verb, which is so. So is the stem. Now what you'll do is you'll take the auxiliary verb jana and attach so with it. So the compound verb will be made. The compound verb is so jana. So jana is the compound verb. And here jana has no meaning. It's just there to add a nuanced meaning. So now you might be thinking, why we are not using sona and instead of it we have to use so jana? Because so jana adds a different shade of meaning. It adds a sense of finality and completion of an action. Or it also indicates the change of state. For example, the person was awake and then the person was sleeping. So jana is different from sona. Because jana is a intransitive verb, the whole verb will become intransitive. Because this is the base form of the verb and we have to conjugate it into different tenses. For simplicity, we'll use simple sentences. I'm going to conjugate them into few tenses. Now let's get started with the verbs. We're going to learn 15 new verbs. The first one is Puljana. Puljana. Puljana means to get inflated. Puljana. Gubara phul gaya. Gubara phul gaya. Gubara is a balloon and it's masculine subject. Gubara phul gaya. Therefore, the ending of the verb jana is becoming gaya. I made a series of lessons on past simple tense. So if you don't understand the conjugations, go watch those videos. मेरा पेट फूल जाता है. मेरा पेट फूल जाता है. Pet is stomach and Puljana here means bloated. My stomach gets bloated. मेरा पेट फूल जाता है. This construction is present simple tense. जब मैं ज़्यादा पानी पीती हूँ तो मेरा पेट फूल जाता है. When I drink a lot of water, when I drink, जब मैं ज़्यादा पानी पीती हूँ, पानी is water. When I drink a lot of water, my stomach gets bloated. मेरा पेट फूल जाता है. मुझे चोट लग गई तो मेरा माथा फूल गया. मुझे चोट लग गई means I got injured. चोट लगना is to get injured. मुझे चोट लग गई तो मेरा माथा फूल गया. Matha is forehead. फूल जाना here means swollen. So my forehead got swollen because of the injury that I've got. ये ब्रेड फूल जाएगी. ये bread फूल जाएगी. This is the future tense. ये bread, this bread फूल जाएगी. It will rise. It will get inflated. When the dough rises, it's also Puljana. ये ब्रेड फूल जाएगी. इसको oven में रख दो, ये ब्रेड फूल जाएगी. Bread is feminine, so it's फूल जाएगी. The ending is gi. The second verb is bhuljana. Very similar to the first word. The first letter is ba. Bhuljana. Bhuljana is to forget. मैं भूल गई. I forgot. मैं भूल गई. A female is saying it. If a man is saying it, it will be मैं भूल गया. मैं भूल गया. मैं भूल जाता हूँ. मैं भूल जाता हूँ. I forget. A man is saying it. I usually forget. That's what it means. मैं जल्दी भूल जाता हूँ. मैं भूल जाती हूँ. मैं भूल जाती हूँ. मैं ये भूल जाऊंगी. I will forget. मैं ये भूल जाऊंगी. मैं ये भूल जाऊंगा. I will forget. And a man is saying it. The next one is reh jana. Something that is left behind. Something that is remaining. So, 4 अंडे रह गए हैं. 4 अंडे रह गए हैं means only 4 eggs are left in the fridge. 4 अंडे is eggs, रह गए हैं. अब सिर्फ मेरी नानी रह गई हैं. Only my grandmother is left. Only my grandmother is alive. मेरी नानी रह गई हैं. नानी is grandmother. 4 लोग रह गए हैं. 4 people are left. 4 लोग रह गए हैं. It also means to live as well. To live. So, हम रह जाएंगे. Will live. हम रह जाएंगे. It also means we will be left behind. हम रह जाएंगे. Next one is मर जाना, which is to die. मर जाना. वो मर गए हैं. वो मर गया. He died. वो मर गया. मेरा कुत्ता मर गया. My dog died. मेरी बिल्ली मर गई. My cat died. मेरे सारे पौधे मर जाते हैं. All my plants die. पौधे is plants. मेरे सारे पौधे मर जाते हैं. सारे means all. Sara means all, and because पौधे is plural masculine, it's going to change into sare to match the noun. The next one is Samjana. This one is very important because a lot of my students say it regularly. And it's very important for me that they say it. Samjana means understand. मैं समझ गई. I understand. मैं समझ गया. I understand. And a man is saying it. मैं समझ गया. I understand. मैं समझ गया. मैं समझ जाऊंगी. I will understand. मैं समझ जाऊंगी. मैं समझ जाऊंगा. This is the future tense. Next one is so jana. So jana is to sleep, as we discussed it in the first half of this video. मैं सो गई. मैं सो गई. I slept. मैं सो गई थी. I had slept. मैं जल्दी सो गई थी. I had slept early. मैं जल्दी सो गई थी. मैं जल्दी सो गया था. मैं जल्दी सो गया था. मैं जल्दी सो जाती हूँ. I sleep early. मैं जल्दी सो जाता हूँ. मैं जल्दी सो जाता हूँ. I sleep early. The next one is आ जाना, which is to come. मैं आ गई. I came. मैं आ गया. मैं घर आ गया. I came home. This is indicating finality. He came home and that's that. मैं जनवरी में आ जाऊंगी. मैं जनवरी में आ जाऊंगी. I'll come in January. मैं जनवरी में आ जाऊंगी. मैं दिसंबर में आ जाऊंगा. Next one is पी जाना, which is to drink. मैं सारा दूध पी गया. I drank all the milk. मैं सारा दूध पी गया. मेरी बिल्ली सारा दूध पी गई. Because बिल्ली is feminine, it's पी गई. The next one is बैठ जाना, which is to sit. Again, change of state from standing up to sitting down. बैठ जाओ बैठ जाओ, sit down. बैठ जाओ, this is an imperative, this is a command. Sit down, बैठ जाओ, यहाँ बैठ जाओ. मैं बैठ गई, I sat down. मैं बैठ गया, a man is saying it. मैं बैठ गई हूँ, I have sat down. मैं ट्रेन में बैठ गई हूँ, I've sat down in the train. मैं जहाज़ में बैठ गया हूँ, मैं जहाज़ में बैठ गया हूँ, I have boarded the plane. मैं जहाज़ में बैठ गया हूँ. So I've completed this action. I have sat down. The next one is खड़े हो जाना. खड़े हो जाना means to stand up. मैं खड़ी हो गई. मैं खड़ी हो गई. It changes. The first part of the verb also changes according to the noun, according to the subject. मैं खड़ी हो गई. I stood up. मैं खड़ा हो गया. मैं खड़ा हो गया. The next one is बन जाना. खाना बन गया है. खाना बन गया है. The dinner has been made. खाना बन गया है. बिरयानी बन गई है. बिरयानी has been made. बिरयानी बन गई है. बिरयानी is feminine, so it's बन गई है. मेरी पेंटिंग बन गई है. दिसंबर तक ये प्रोजेक्ट बन जाएगा. दिसंबर तक ये प्रोजेक्ट बन जाएगा. दिसंबर तक ये घर बन जाएगा. दिसंबर तक ये घर बन जाएगा. तक means till, until or up till. In December this house will be made. ये घर बन जाएगा. The next one is ले जाना. ले जाना. ले जाओ. Take it. Carry it. ले जाओ. बच्चे को ले जाओ. ये खाना ले जाओ. Take this food. ये खाना ले जाओ. मैं ये कपड़े ले जाऊंगी. I'll take these clothes. मैं ये कपड़े ले जाऊंगी. I will take these clothes. कहाँ ले जा रही हो? Where are you taking it? ये कहाँ ले जा रही हो? ये कहाँ ले जा रही हो? ये कहाँ ले जा रहे हो? ये कहाँ ले जा रहे हो? रहे is for masculine subject. The next one is खो जाना. खो जाना, which is to lose something. मेरी चाबी खो गई. मेरी चाबी खो गई. My keys have been lost. मेरी चाबी खो गई. उसका कुत्ता खो गया. उसका कुत्ता खो गया. Her or his dog has been lost. The next one is भर जाना. भर जाना is to get filled. पानी भर गया. The water is filled. पानी बाल्टी में भर गया. It filled the bucket. बाल्टी is bucket. पानी बाल्टी में भर गया. The last one is पक जाना, which is to get cooked. ये गोश्त पक गया है. ये गोश्त पक गया है. This meat has been cooked. ये गोश्त पक गया है. This can also be used as adjective. So ये पक गया. It is cooked. ये पक गया. Another one that is very important and that's like a bonus verb is थक जाना. थक जाना is to get tired. मैं थक गई. I am tired. For men it will be मैं थक गया. मैं थक गया. मैं थक गया हूँ. I am tired. मैं थक गया हूँ. थक गया is tired. मैं थक जाती हूँ. I get tired. मैं थक जाता हूँ. Remember that you can get a PDF file of all these verbs on my Patreon. I hope you have learned a lot from this video. If you have and you want to show your appreciation, you can support me on Patreon. I also want to thank my patrons. Have a great day and I'll see you later.